Over 150 million people use AI image generators monthly, producing 80 million images every single day. The AI market hit $15 billion in 2026. But here's the mistake that costs real money: treating Midjourney, DALL and Adobe Firefly as interchangeable. They are not. Midjourney leads on artistic quality. DALL leads on text accuracy. Firefly is the only one with full commercial copyright indemnification. Here's how to pick right. Midjourney V7 has a 26.8% global market share. Its aesthetic quality is distinctive: painterly compositions, sophisticated lighting, and visual coherence. But it handles text poorly, producing garbled characters. Plus, it faces ongoing copyright lawsuits over undisclosed training data, posing a risk for enterprises. DALL, inside ChatGPT, achieves 95% accuracy rendering legible text. If your image needs words, labels, or social graphics, this is the only viable choice. Adobe Firefly 4 is trained exclusively on licensed imagery. It's the only major generator offering full commercial copyright indemnification and built-in provenance tracking. For organizations in the EU, Firefly's C2PA tracking ensures readiness for the August 2026 AI Act enforcement. This compliance is not optional. The 2026 consensus. Professional teams use all three strategically: Midjourney for hero imagery, DALL for text-heavy assets, and Firefly for client deliverables. This hybrid stack costs $72.99 a month, less than one stock library subscription, delivering 60% higher conversion and 70% cost reduction in production. Match the tool to your use case. Check the description for the full comparison guide. Like and subscribe to AI Buzz for more insights.